Music is more than just entertainment. It's a passion that resonates deep within the soul. And in this year, the tech world has blessed us with gadgets that not only enrich our listening experience, but also transform how we engage with music. Whether you're at home, on the go, or in the studio, there's something here to amplify your love for music. Let's explore the top 10 gadgets that will take your audio journey to the next level in reverse order, from great to greatest. Number 10. Jouet Play in Orbit 2, Portable Music Creation. If you've ever had the itch to create music on the fly, then Jouet Play and Orbit 2 are the companions you need. These handheld devices are designed for the modern musician who craves creativity without the hassle of lugging around traditional instruments. Jouet Play mimics various instruments from drums to strings and offers tactile control that feels intuitive and fun. Orbit 2 takes it a step further by combining synths, drum machines, and loopers into one compact gadget. Perfect for spontaneous jam sessions, these devices let you craft beats and melodies wherever inspiration strikes. They're not just tools, they're invitations to explore new soundscapes. Whether you're a professional or just experimenting with music, these gadgets make composing on the go accessible and exciting. Number 9. Lucid Eddie Bauer Smart Glasses. Music and style in one. Ever wondered what it would be like to wear your music? Lucid Eddie Bauer Smart Glasses let you do just that. These smart glasses combine the best of fashion and technology, with built-in speakers that stream music directly to your ears without the need for headphones. Imagine taking a walk through the park, looking stylish and still grooving to your favorite playlist. The sound quality is surprisingly clear for something so discreet, and the glasses themselves are comfortable enough for all-day wear. They're also equipped with Bluetooth, so you can make hands-free calls or interact with voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant. Whether you're on a call or vibing to tunes, Lucid Eddie Bauer Smart Glasses keep you connected without compromising style. Number 8. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, Sleek and Stylish Sound. Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro delivers a premium listening experience wrapped in a sleek, stylish design. These earbuds aren't just about looking good, they pack a punch with enhanced noise cancellation, ensuring that no outside noise interferes with your music. They fit snugly in your ears, making them perfect for long listening sessions, whether you're at work, commuting, or hitting the gym. The sound quality is impressive, offering a rich, balanced audio experience that makes every song pop. Samsung's continued focus on user-friendly interfaces means these buds are easy to control with intuitive touch gestures. Plus, the long battery life ensures your music doesn't stop before you do. Number 7. Razer Hammerhead True Wireless. Gaming meets music. Gamers and music lovers unite with the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless earbuds. These aren't just your average wireless earbuds. They're optimized for gaming, offering ultra-low latency so you won't miss a beat in your favorite game or song. The audio quality is crisp and clear, and the bass hits hard, making them ideal for both music and immersive gaming experiences. The earbuds are designed with a snug fit to stay secure during intense gaming sessions or workouts. Plus, they look as cool as they sound, with Razer's signature sleek design. If you're someone who enjoys both music and gaming, the Razer Hammerhead True Wireless earbuds let you switch seamlessly between both worlds without compromising on performance. Number 6. JBL Charge 5, your outdoor music companion. The JBL Charge 5 is a portable speaker that's built for adventure. Whether you're at the beach, camping, or having a backyard barbecue, this speaker delivers powerful sound that can fill any outdoor space. With up to 20 hours of battery life, you can keep the music going all day and night. What sets the Charge 5 apart is its rugged waterproof design, which means you don't have to worry about spills, splashes, or even a little rain ruining the party. The sound quality is excellent, with deep bass and clear highs that make every genre of music sound fantastic. Plus, it doubles as a power bank, so you can charge your phone or other devices while you're out and about. Number 5. Focusrite Scarlett Solo 4th Gen, for the budding producer. Aspiring music producers, rejoice! The Focusrite Scarlett Solo 4th Gen is the perfect entry-level audio interface that delivers professional quality recordings without breaking the bank. This compact device connects to your PC or Mac via USB and allows you to record vocals, instruments, and more with pristine clarity. Despite its small size, the Scarlett Solo boasts a wide 120 decibel dynamic range and uses the same high-end converters as more expensive models. It's easy to use, making it ideal for beginners who want to dive into the world of music production. The Scarlett Solo also comes bundled with Ableton Live Lite and other audio tools, so you can start creating your own music right out of the box. Number 4. Sony Dablu F1000 XM4, the ultimate sound escape. Sony's Dablu F1000 XM4 earbuds are the ultimate choice for anyone who demands top-tier sound quality. These earbuds feature industry-leading noise cancellation technology, allowing you to completely tune out the world and lose yourself in your music. The sound is rich and full, with deep bass and crystal clear highs that make every song sound incredible. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable fit, so you can wear them for hours without any discomfort. Sony has also packed in a long battery life, meaning you can enjoy uninterrupted listening sessions without constantly searching for a charger. Whether you're a casual listener or an audiophile, the Dablu F1000 XM4 will elevate your listening experience to new heights. Number 3. Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 8, a symphony in your living room. The Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 8 is not just a speaker, it's an audio masterpiece. Designed with both aesthetics and acoustics in mind, this speaker delivers an exceptional sound experience that makes every song come alive. With its iconic circular design, the Onyx Studio 8 is as much a piece of art as it is a speaker, making it a perfect addition to any living room. The sound quality is superb, with deep bass, clear mids, and sparkling highs that ensure every genre of music sounds fantastic. Whether you're hosting a party or just enjoying a quiet evening at home, the Onyx Studio 8 provides the perfect soundtrack. Number 2. Apple AirPods Pro, 2nd generation, the king of convenience. Apple's AirPods Pro, 2nd generation, has quickly become the gold standard for wireless earbuds, and for good reason. These little powerhouses offer active noise cancellation, meaning you can seamlessly transition from a noisy subway commute to a peaceful sound bubble, fully immersed in your favorite tracks. The MagSafe charging case ensures your AirPods are always powered up and ready to go, while their ergonomic design guarantees a comfortable fit that stays secure during any activity. Whether you're working out, working from home, or just relaxing, the AirPods Pro delivers an unparalleled audio experience with crisp, clear sound across all frequencies. Plus, Apple's spatial audio adds a new dimension to your listening, making it feel like the music is coming from all around you. Number 1. JBL Party Box Encore Essential. Bring the party anywhere. Topping our list is the JBL Party Box Encore Essential, the ultimate party gadget for music lovers. This portable powerhouse isn't just a speaker, it's an entire party packed into one compact device. With its impressive sound output, deep bass, and vibrant LED light show that syncs with your music, the Party Box Encore Essential turns any gathering into an unforgettable event. Whether you're hosting a beach party, chilling by the pool, or just hanging out with friends, this speaker has got you covered. It's splash-proof, meaning a little water won't stop the fun, and its 6-hour battery life ensures the music keeps playing as long as the party goes on. Plus, with the JBL Party Box app, you can customize your light, show, and sound settings to create the perfect vibe. Before you go cranking up the volume on your new favorite gadget, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Trust me, your future self will thank you when you're jamming out to the next wave of awesome tech recommendations. Plus, subscribing is scientifically proven to make your playlist sound 10% better. Okay, maybe not scientifically, but it's worth a shot, right?